35 XI 2008. Just gonna put a stage 2 fuel pump in it today. First, we're gonna pull up the seat from this corner, take the seat out, then pull this carpet up. Flop it back, and there's the fuel pump. Looks like 4 10mm screws. Once the 10 millimeters are off, unplug both these plugs. Oh, this is a little harder to get to. Don't want to just unplug your fuel lines. You want to actually relieve the pressure. Clean all this up before you continue to pull all this off so you don't get dirt in there. Cleaned up, and we're gonna relieve the fuel pressure from the fuel lines by stepping in here. Attempt to start the vehicle. And your fuel pressure's up. So to remove these, you're going to push in that blue tab, pull it up, pushing these tabs, and pull it up and move it aside. And now you got to get a ring lock tool, or you can use, and then pull this down and plug this cord in the other one. Once you disconnect those plugs and that line, got 3 more lines right here. You push in that green clip and this should pop up, and then you remove the 2 more hoses sitting right there, and you should be good. And once you get those removed and not lose your housing in the tank, should just be able to pull this up. And careful with the float, don't bend it, and it's out.